Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ingrid Lavia. I'm a teacher by profession, but I'm also a community worker, very engaged in the community. I'm here today at the Owia Salt Pond. I love the Owia Salt Pond. And I'm here to do some presentation of our local foods, how they are being prepared. So we now move to the MADUNGO bakes, and this is the MADUNGO. This is the powder, and you look, it's there in the dry state. So I'm gonna pour it out in a pan. Just 5 pounds of MADUNGO. This is how you get it to buy at the office. So you wet it. So now we're going to wrap it so it can roll into a ball. So we will have to take back some of the moisture. For a couple of minutes. Again, add together as the ball. In the meantime, we have our pots on the fire with our water. And this water must also be boiling water, because if you put this in water that is cold or warm, it just melts back. So you get porridge. So you have to know, make sure that the water is boiling before you put it into the pot. Okay, so I'm going to check my water. Not boiling as yet. In the meantime, I'm going to get my ingredients. So I have here my coconut. It's a cup of coconut. My nutmeg, which I'm going to grate. I'm using a whole nutmeg for that amount, for 5 pounds of it. My ginger. Also, coconut, ginger, nutmeg. These are the main ingredients. I'm going to check, see if my water is ready. Yes, it is. Here we have our ball. Take it off, and we put it in the pot. So that will boil for like about 5 minutes. When you boil it, you have 2 different parts. You have the outer part, which is a gummy part, and you have the inner part, which is just like the normal starch. So you need that outer part plays very important. You have to get that to knead it. And if you don't have that outer part, then you can't knead it. So we continue with your ingredients. We add a tablespoon of salt. So here we have salt, ginger, nutmeg, and coconut. Our last ingredient is the sugar. And normally, we don't add the sugar until we are halfway. Because when we add the sugar to this, Normally it gets extra soft. So I think I can turn it now on the other side. Sorry for the tall pot. It's too tall for me, but it'll work. Ooh. There we have it.
That's a giant dumpling.
So we're kneading that jello part with the ingredients. And we're going to add a little as we go along. So now I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to knead this. So you just keep kneading until it gets smooth. Till all the little lumps disappear. Here we have it. Just ready to go into the pot. You can fry it or you can bake it. So here you have it, your madungo. So we can light the fire and fry it. A couple now. Right here. So no flour, some people will ask, no flour, no baking powder. And because it doesn't have any flour in it, it takes a very long time to brown. Once it's finished, it tends to float a bit on the oil.
She's now Auntie Ingrid. She made us MADUNGO BAKES. Yeah. Oh God.
Chocolate
Gringo.
Don't get it.
I like it. I like it a lot.
MADUNGO BAKES is the thing once you bake it once. You'll never go back.